Hello everyone. This is the science video of class 6 in which we discuss about chapter electricity which is presented by me Priya Singh. This is the lecture 2 of this chapter which is electricity. Let's get started. Electric circuit. A closed path in which the electric current can flow is called as an electric circuit. Electric circuit are of a two type, open circuit and closed circuit. Open circuit in which no current is flow and closed circuit in which current flow continuously. In this diagram, this is the open circuit. In this diagram, this is the open circuit and this is the closed circuit. Electric circuits. Electric circuits are made up of electrical components. These components must be joined together without any gap in between to form a closed circuit. What is that component? Components like bulb, wire, electric cell are the electric components. Without these components, we cannot make a circuit. First of all, we discuss about closed circuit. Closed circuit, also called as complete circuit. This closed circuit, it is complete path without any gap from one end of the cell to light bulb and back to the other end of the cell. In this diagram, you easily able to see there is no gap in between these circuits. See that this is a closed circuit, and in closed circuit current is always easily flow. Let's see in this diagram, closed circuit diagram. In this diagram, you easily see the circuit is closed. That's why this bulb is easily glow. If circuit is not closed, then bulb is not able to glow. So what you understand, in closed circuit, electricity are always flow. So bulb is always glow. Next one is open circuit, also called as incomplete circuit. Basically, from the word open, you understand that the circuit is open. So what do you mean by the open? If circuit is open, so no current is flow through it. It means bulb is not glow. So in open circuit, if you see in this diagram, the wire is not connected, and here also the wire is not connected with this bulb, and these two wire also not connected. It means the circuit is break, and due to this break of this circuit, the current is not able to flow and this bulb is not able to glow. This is a diagram of open circuit where no electricity is flow. That's why this bulb is not glow, because the switch is in a off position. If you see, the switch is in off position. Now next one is how to draw circuit diagram. In this table you see few components and their symbols. We are using the symbols to represent the component easily on paper. We are not able to draw every time a cell and bulb and wire. That's why we are using circuit diagrams. The first one is for this is the first symbol, electric cell. First symbol is for electric cell. In place of making this cell diagram, we are making this symbol. It is very easy and convenient to draw. And for battery, we can use this symbol. For bulb, we are using this type of symbol, and for switch, we are using two. Switch have a two position, on position and off position. When you draw this type of key, it is called as key. If key is open, then switch is in off position. When key is closed, then switch is in on position. Then this symbol shows the connecting wire, and this symbol shows the connecting wire with joints. Circuit diagram with the help of symbols. These are the circuit diagram for open circuit and closed circuit. Thank you.